In this video, we're going to go over how to subtract integers. So say I were to give you the example 6 minus negative 2, and I told you to find the answer. How would you do this? Well, there's 3 steps I want you to remember. Our first step is that we're going to keep the first number the same. Our second step is that we're going to change the subtraction to addition, and then our third step is that we're going to switch the sign of the second number regardless of what it is. So let's rewrite this equation following these 3 steps. We're going to keep the first sign the same, we're going to switch the subtraction to addition, and then we're going to switch the sign of the second number regardless of what the original sign was. So here it's originally negative, we're going to make it positive. And we're going to keep that in brackets, positive 2. So we're left with 6 plus 2, which is 8. And that's our final answer. Now let's try one more problem, but this time pause the video and try it on your own. When you come back, you'll see that the process is the exact same. So say I were to give you negative 4 minus 3, and I told you to find the answer. Pause the video, but again, the process remains the exact same. We're going to keep the first number the same. So negative 4 stays negative 4. We're going to switch the subtraction to addition, and then we're going to switch the sign of the second number. So here, the negative that's in the middle here, that's indicating subtraction. That's not a sign for the 3. The 3 is a positive because there's no sign in front of it. So we're going to go from positive 3 to negative 3. And we're going to put that in brackets. Now if we begin with negative 4 and we add negative 3, we're making the negative 4 more negative. So negative 4 and adding 3 negatives to it is going to give us negative 7. And that's our final answer. So key tip is that when subtracting a negative is the exact same thing as adding a positive. And that's because of our rule. We keep the first number the same, we switch the subtraction to addition, and then we switch the sign of the second number, regardless of what the original sign was. I hope this video helped. Thank you.